Welcome to qnawire.
All right, so we want to know what angle the shorter wire makes with the ground. I'm going to call that, I'm just going to label it X. And to do that, we're going to need to use the law of cosines. The law of cosines says that the side opposite the angle that we want to find, squared, is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides, kind of like the Pythagorean theorem, but we have to subtract 2 times each of those sides times the cosine of the angle. This is again called the law of cosines. You probably won't have to have it memorized, but you should have seen it before. And I would start by subtracting 70 squared and subtracting 140 squared to cancel them out. And so let me go to a calculator. 110 squared, subtract 70 squared, subtract 140 squared, and we're at negative 12,400. And that would equal negative 2 times 70 times 140. Negative 2 times 70 times 140 is negative 19,600 cosine x. Next, divide both sides by negative 19,600. So negative 12,400 divided by negative 19,600, is 0.63265. I'm just going to estimate 0.6327. But what you want to do is take the inverse cosine. So your calculator needs to be in degree mode, and we want to find the inverse cosine of 0.6327 because that will be what x is equal to, which is the angle. If you have the opportunity to just use the full answer, do that. Or you can type it out as far as you want. I don't know if it says how to round here. Nope. So I'll just go to 2 decimal places. We'll say 50.75 degrees. The angle that the wires make with each other. This now could be used finding the law of sines. We could say that the sine of 50.75 degrees over its opposite side, 110. I'm going to place the unknown, or x, where the two wires would meet now. And that would be equal to the sine of, I'm calling it x, over its opposite side, 140. You'll cross multiply the 140, and then you'll have to inverse sine all of that in order to solve for x. Inverse sine of 140 sine 50.75 divided by 110 is 80.26 degrees. For the angle between them. We're then wanting to find the height of the balloon. I'm going to create a right triangle here and recreate that right triangle down here with important pieces. We've got the 50.75 at the angle, and we have the 70, and we really want to find the height, which I'm labeling h. This goes back to right triangle trig. Think SOHCAHTOA. From that 50.75 degree angle, we want to find the opposite, and we have the hypotenuse. That's sine. So we can say the sine of 50.75 degrees is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Cross multiply the 70, and we have the height. 70 sine 50.75. And that's about 54.21 for the height. I hope that helps you out. That would technically be in meters as well. Good luck to you.